What's up, style babes? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a nail video. I haven't done a nail video in like over a year. I think that my most viewed video is a nail video on my channel, so I thought, why not? Today we're going to be doing the Kiss Dip Kit. This is their activator that they provide you with. They provide you with some brush on gel. They also give you the dipping powder. This is the clear one. They have colors as well. They also give you additional brushes, some natural and French tips, and then they also give you this little sponge to dust that off, and they give you this dipping kind of jar container, which is really helpful. I'm happy they provided that. They also give you some nail filers and like a cuticle pusher. So off camera I did go ahead and size my own nails just because that's like boring to see. So what you're gonna do is do what I did. You're gonna brush on that gel onto the tip. That is going to adhere the tips on, and I like to do like whatever nail I do on one hand, I do it on the other hand. I feel like it's easier for me to do it that way rather than me put on all my nails on my left hand because I am a righty, so I just do it that way. I feel like it's easier. Alright, so now I'm going to take this nail clipper. This is like a really good nail clipper. This is literally for like acrylic nails or press-on nails, whatever. As you can see the difference, it's way better than a regular nail filer. A regular nail filer, you're going to have to keep on cutting it. This one gets it evenly the first time because as you see, it's like a U kind of shape. If that makes sense. Off camera I did go ahead and cut those off because I want like more of a square long nail look. As you can see, the nails are square but they're a little bulky at the ends, so I did just go ahead and cut off the tips, like literally where the numbers are at, like on the nail, like it tells you the different size. That's what I cut off. Now I'm just blending in my natural nail with the tip with the nail buffer. Alright, so now that the boring stuff is over with, it's time for the fun part. And we're gonna pour in this dipping powder. I was just gonna use a little bit, but I was like, I might as well use all of it because these nails are long. So I just poured the whole container in there. So now what you want to do is take that brush on gel and you're going to coat your natural nail all the way down to the tip. This is what is going to make the dipping powder stick on your nail. So yeah, that's what you're going to do. And then after you're done, you're going to want to literally dip your finger in there. I personally like to turn my finger around that way. Like I know in the picture and maybe in some other videos you've seen people just literally stick their nail in there, but honestly I feel like that's a little difficult just because the nails are longer. So if you turn your finger around, you get like an even coat. Alright, so after you've dipped all 10 fingernails and you let it dry for a bit, you're going to take the sponge that they provide for you and just dust off any of that extra dipping powder. Like I said, you want to make sure that the nails are dry, but this sponge is really soft so it won't damage the nail. but I just like to, give it a couple seconds for it to, dry down a bit. Alright, so this is me after the third coat. I didn't show myself dipping it in the powder just because it's self-explanatory and I did it twice already. So yeah, 3 was good enough for me. You could probably do like 4 or maybe 5, but honestly 3 is good. It definitely built up the nail very well. I'm going to show y'all real quick. Here's a close-up of it. You can see it has like a little apex and all that, and the nail is really firm. It gives an acrylic look for real. Alright, so now this is the most important part. You need to follow this step when you're done applying all the coats, okay? So you're going to take the activator, right? And you're going to apply a generous amount onto every nail. The directions tell you to be generous, and I'm telling you, you need to be generous because this is what's going to make the dipping powder strong and hard. It's going to give it an acrylic look. Because if you skip this step, I'm telling you right now, the nails will be like jelly or like kind of like a gum consistency when you go to file your nails and reshape them. So apply a generous amount of this activator and you will be good. So then once you're done applying the activator every nail, you're going to just file to your liking because as you know, even after you're dealing with acrylic, you just have to reshape them, get that nice square shape that I wanted. And that's all that I do. And after you're done doing that, you are going to apply the acrylic one more time just to make sure that everything is nice and secure, because you did go ahead and, mess with it and buff off whatever activator was on there. Alright, and there we have it. I actually ended up not painting these nails on camera, so this is the final result. The nails look super good. Honestly, this was the best kit, and it was only $12. It really gives the acrylic look, and I'm here for it. They came out so cute, and I love the shape of them. Honestly, it's better than the acrylic kit, because I did try Kiss acrylic kit, and it wasn't it. It was not it for me, and this is super easy and affordable. If y'all want to see more nail videos, just let me know, and I will keep them coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.